Start streaming. Okay, hopefully this one worked. Hopefully. Let me see if it goes live on YouTube over here. Oh yeah, it went live. It went live. Hold up. Did it go live? Yep. Okay, we're live. Okay, what's up, YouTube? Okay, I got it working. I got it working. Oh, okay. I was about to say, bro, because I really wanted to take this trade with everyone. Okay, let me go ahead and put out that I'm live on YouTube real quick. I got a little bit worried there, but it fixed. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. In the meantime, I mean, it kind of still seems like and wait, hold up. Let me go ahead and put this out real quick. Give me 1 sec. Let me go and open up YouTube real quick. Okay. So I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, sweet. There we go. And let me go ahead and put it over here as well while we wait for this long position over here. But yeah, guys, I am absolutely loving longs over on ES. Remember, guys, today we're looking at ES. We're not looking at NQ. NQ, honestly, it's looking all right. It's looking pretty decent. But I'm kind of liking ES more. The way it's looking, the way the setup is lined up, the way everything is lined up. I mean, compare these. You know what I mean? Like NQ looks kind of like a mess. ES looks a little bit better. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I definitely wanna work with something there. Now, I'm for sure hoping that we can kind of work with something uh more before 10 a.m. because you guys know today we don't have any news. And typically what tends to happen is obviously if we don't have any news, the market doesn't really have anything to look forward to in terms of moving, anticipation, and stuff like that. And if it doesn't do anything off open, it probably won't do anything going into market close, into the PM session, or any of that stuff. All right, guys. So yeah, the volume that you guys are kind of seeing off open is pretty much the volume that we're going to be seeing all day. It's probably going to continue dying down as we go obviously into lunch hour, PM session, and all that stuff. All right. So that's why I'm kind of hoping that we're able to get a setup coming into market open and nothing else, because I wouldn't really want to take something when we don't have news later on in the day when the volume is just going to be extremely dead. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So I'm really hoping we're able to, and especially with the type of open that we got today, very slow open. I honestly didn't really. Oh wait, I'm not even screen sharing. Am I? Oh, I'm not. Oh, oops. Okay, one sec. I haven't even been screen share, bro. Guys, today has been a mess, man. Okay. Hold on. Let me fix it over here. Okay, wait. Screen share the wrong thing. There we go. Okay, let me know if you guys can see it now. Let me know if you guys can see it now. My bad, guys. My bad. Anyways, but yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm really hoping that today's or at least the price actually coming into market open is a little bit cleaner, for sure. Because I'm not really expecting anything going like later on in the day. All right. So yeah, we'll see. Anyways, I'm seeing someone ask what risk are we going to be putting on ES? Typically for me, I like to risk about 20 micros because you guys know ES doesn't move as aggressive as NQ, so we can definitely afford more contracts behind the trade. And then I would like to risk about 6 points while targeting 12. So a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio trade. But yeah. Anyways, so far the candles are kind of like indecisive here. It's kind of like a doji candle. And then NQ on the other hand, it's been sitting in this range pretty much all night long, where we haven't done absolutely anything. So it's still really choppy. It's really hard to get more of a bias. It's really hard to get to read the trend pretty much. As you guys see, if you guys look at NQ on the 5, 15-minute, or even 30-minute time frame, we can't really tell as to like what's going on at all. I mean, it's really choppy here. So yeah, I mean, look at this. On the 15-minute time frame, it's nothing pretty much. You know what I mean? But on ES on the other hand, although it still does look pretty choppy. ES looks a little bit cleaner in terms of a setup. I mean, we did take out the London low. We swept it by actually a tick over here. Yeah, we swept it. We were showing some sort of buying interest, but right now it's kind of dead. It's kind of like really indecisive over here. But what I want to see pretty much, guys, is I want to see a very strong impulsive buying candle into this inverse. If we inverse this, we pretty much have nothing stopping us until this London high, which would be a pretty nice scalp for a 1-to-1 risk reward, and then we could target this external high up here for a 1-to-2 risk reward for the final price target. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But my only worry, guys, is with us having no news today. It's gonna be a little bit of a slow trade. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be extremely slow, although it could be. Just because we're still in the first 30 minutes of market open, it could still be pretty volatile. Um, But yeah, let me see. That's the 5 minutes time. It is, yes, yes. Swept the hourly, not London. This is the London. So you can consider it as both in a way. Yeah, both the hourly and the London low. Because I'm sure you guys know this. London opens about 3 a.m. The way you find your London low is from 3 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Whichever was the lowest point of that session is the London low, and that will be this one right down here. Now on NQ on the other hand, it kind of missed it by a tick actually. Yeah, actual really a tick there. So we'll see how that goes. I don't really think it's gonna spark anything when NQ is kind of just chopping up here. Although NQ is showing a lot more buying interest than ES is. ES is kind of just selling off there, not doing much. NQ on the other hand is kind of just shooting straight into that London high, but there's not much that we can really even trade with here at all. Yeah, it's kind of like a little bit messy still. So yeah, you're in. Okay, cool. Are you in NQ? I'm assuming that's NQ, right? No, that's ES. No, that's NQ. Yeah, it's NQ. How many contracts? It's up to you, bro. I mean, just do the math behind how much you want to risk. I'm gonna be doing. I always do 20, um, behind ES, but to some people, um, 20 might be too much. Now, keep in mind the setup is kind of just chopping up here, so I still don't know if I'm really gonna take it. It was looking beautiful just a few minutes ago, but right now with us selling off, I mean, not even selling off, we're just kind of just sitting here, just chopping up. The volume is really dead. I don't really know if I want to trade this or not. Um, so yeah, especially with NQ kind of just shooting towards that London high. If ES is not doing anything, then there's gonna be a really big issue. You know what I mean? And I really wish NQ would have given us a setup around here that we could have for sure taken longs. But not only did we not take out this London low, but we're kind of reversing off of nothing. I mean, there's not, even if we did take this London low out, there's not much that we could have really done here. In terms of an entry, not something I like at least. Because this is not really an imbalance; it's more of a selling candle with nothing behind it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. Why wouldn't we take it on NQ for inverses? Well, we don't have anything to inverse. That's exactly why we're on ES right now. Because look at this. Look at this right here on ES. Massive imbalance, right? I mean, measure this. 14 points. The usual candle on ES is not even half of that. You know what I mean? So there's definitely an imbalance here that we want to go ahead and work off of. But on NQ, there's really not much to really work with in terms of an imbalance. And no, I don't use the 1 minute fair value gaps. That's not part of my strat. Now, yeah, there could have been something on the 1 minute, but it's just I don't like the 1 minute myself, so I don't really work with that. But yeah, now for those wondering, like, hey, maybe this one was an imbalance. Not in my eyes. Not something I would have wanted to take. So yeah, in terms of an entry coming into market open, still kind of nothing here. But yeah, so far, yes, it's kind of just sitting here. I mean, there's not much we can really do still. There's not much we can just do at all for now. But yeah, I'm really hoping we're able to get something off this one. I really like the setup here. Now the only issue behind this one, could be that if we take out this London high over on NQ, it could really be an issue over here on ES, especially now that pretty much what I'm trying to say is if NQ takes out if NQ has enough buyers, which obviously it looks like it does, at least a lot more than ES. If NQ takes out this London high and it sweeps, you guys can already see that sellers are a little bit more interested over on ES, meaning that we can reject off anywhere in this point at any given time after NQ takes out this high up here. So let's see. But so far we're kind of just sitting here. Not much happening, like I said. So I'm gonna give the market some time, see if it sparks anything up that we're liking. If we do, we take it. If not, then you know what I mean. You guys already know the deal. What times is Asia and London? Well, I'm EST, Eastern Standard. So for me, it starts at 6 p.m. EST till 3 a.m. That's gonna be Asia. Then 3 a.m. till 9:30 is London. But anyways, we're trying to get some candle flips here, which obviously is a good thing. I mean, it's not really too much of a candle flip. When we're just still sitting at the opening range there, where this candle opened that. But NQ on the other hand, guys, this could be a little bit of an issue. So if we're gonna end up taking ES longs, which could be the case very soon. Hopefully, if but the buying pressure kicks in here. Um, Oh wait, never mind. We're selling off a little bit here. Well, yes, not really selling off, but guys, this open is just really weird. Just to start off with, I mean, there's so much stuff happening that I like and I don't like. It's a million things. You said, so yeah. When I trade ES, I typically do 20 micros. Yes. Just because ES is not so aggressive in price. You know, what I mean, it's just how it is. Because if you size 10 micros on ES and you get the same move up as NQ, you're probably not gonna make as much. That's the thing. You're probably gonna make like on a really really good trade, you're probably gonna make like what, like $200, 300 at most. I mean, so I'm trying to like just up the size a little bit more, just so we can make what we could have made on NQ instead. Uh, Dave, where can I find the blue and red lines in your channel? These right here. Just scroll down here. Let me send it over to you. One sec. There you go. I sent it. Wait, sending. There you go. Yeah, just click on that link and it'll go ahead and show it to you. Hey Blast, which is the best advice you have after blowing a PA? Honestly, you're probably gonna be feeling really, 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 really tilted. Like you know what I mean? Like you're gonna feel beat up. You know what I mean? Like it's how it always is. So there's nothing wrong. Like if you feel like taking a break, obviously you might not want to. You want to make everything back. You're gonna start full porting everything. So what I would say is, bro, try to take a little bit of a break, maybe like a few days. You know, a few days off, clear your mind and all that good stuff. And once you're feeling a little bit more refreshed, try it again and all that stuff. Cause what's it called? When you blow a PA, you're gonna be feeling like I said, beat up, tilted, and everything. And when you try a new account, like if you buy a new account off the bat, the second you blow a PA, you're gonna be trying to full port it and trying to get back to where you were, and it's gonna make the situation so much worse. So yeah, just try to take a little bit of a break there. I typically when I blow a PA, I let you take like 1 to 3 days off. That's typically my really good like time to refresh. But everyone's different. You can take like a week, maybe a day, maybe you don't even need it. You know what I mean? But for me, I would say, I mean, it's really mentally hard. Yeah, exhausting as well. Yeah. Let me see. Are your accounts good with Top Step? Yeah, actually. Um, did you guys see what happened throughout the weekend? That bro, it's very like, bro, that's scary, bro. Super super scary. That's on the 15-minute IFG on. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as the 5 minute here. Yeah, same thing pretty much. Um, but yeah, guys, bro, guys, look at the 15-minute on NQ. This is bad, bro. This is bad over here. What happened? Okay, so guys, for the people that don't know what happened over the weekend, maybe like I'm okay. Look, there's about 600 of you guys in the live stream right now, guys. I'm sure every single one of you guys, maybe most of you guys, maybe trade prop firms. So guys, over the weekend, MFFU. I'm pretty sure it's called My Funded Futures. I don't know what the U stands for, but it's My Funded Futures, right? And Top Step, guys, they got hacked or they got what is it? A breach, data breach or something. But yeah, Top Step ended up getting hacked. So for the people that don't know, what ended up happening was, um, Top Step or some way somehow a group hacked the data of Top Step, and they ended up sending out with Top Step's email. They ended up sending out this email saying like, hey, um, we're asking for a password reset, like we're forcing a password reset. So click this link and reset your password. And obviously a lot of people were like, hey, Top Step, you know what I mean? Maybe they're undergoing something, you know what I mean? Maybe I do need to change my password. So a bunch of people ended up clicking the link and changing their password. And what ended up happening was that link right there was a phishing email, right? Obviously, for the people that might not know what a phishing link is pretty much when someone like replicates an entire website and puts it with a new link, and you type your password there, and instead of you resetting your password on the actual website, you're just giving them your password. Um, and here's the scary part, guys. Obviously, you know what I mean. I mean, a bunch of websites get hacked every day. It's normal. I mean, not normal, but it happens. You know what I mean. But the bad thing about this is, guys, is when it comes to a money making website like TopStep, for example, you know what I mean, where there's a bunch of credit cards stored, a bunch of social security numbers stored, a bunch of stuff stored there, guys. What ended up happening was a bunch of people ended up getting a ton of charges on their credit cards from random websites. In fact, I don't know if you guys know. I don't know. I was looking on Twitter, and someone with a really big name. By the way, we're pumping here a little bit. He ended up getting his card stolen, and he had a bunch. I'm not even. I can literally show you guys. He had a bunch of OnlyFans subscriptions. Now I don't know if that's real or not. Maybe it's him. I don't know. Maybe he got caught or something, and he's blaming on the hack. But no, like real shit. Like I can literally show you guys a bunch of people, and one of the people, his name was. I'm sure you guys know him. His name is Brian Stunk. Um, yeah, I'm sure you guys know Brian, right? He was getting a bunch of random charges, um, on his card as well. So yeah, it's scary because now the problem is now with a huge data breach, or at least if you, I'm gonna say that you're only a victim if you are you're only a target. I would say if you clicked on the link and you reset your password there. Now me, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a very lazy person, so I saw that I'm like, whatever. I don't really care. You know what I mean? But I mean, a good. It was for a good reason, you know. I'm like, bro, I'll do that shit later. I don't really care right now. You know, like it's the weekend, bro. What's the worst that can happen? All right. So yeah, I never ended up resetting it. So I don't really think anything's gonna happen to me. Hopefully not. But we'll see. I'll update you guys for sure. Um, but yeah, that's a really scary thing because now a bunch of social securities are public. A bunch of credit card information are public. Everyone is freezing their cards and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a big issue, guys. Really big issue. Now the problem is, guys, behind this is that the firms, they're not taking what is it? They're not taking the blame for it. They're like, oh guys, nothing happened. You know what I mean? Like we don't know what happened. Even though it's like the whole Discord is saying like, yo, I got hacked. Like what the hell's going on? You know what I mean? So no one knows which firm actually got hacked. No one knows what is actually happening because these firms are not really taking they're not really taking the blame when they're supposed to. You know what I mean? Their data got, it was vulnerable. It got breached and all that stuff. And you know what I mean? Now a bunch of social security numbers are out there, a bunch of credit cards are out there and all that stuff. So yeah. It's scary though. It's scary because I mean, you never know. You wake up and your account's flushed down to zero. You know what I mean? So look, if you guys, I'm not gonna freeze any of my cards because, um, dude, I pay for a lot of things, bro. So yeah, I have a lot of subscriptions and everything that I need for the business and everything. So yeah, I can't freeze them. So I'm gonna take the risk. But if you guys don't want to take the risk and you guys might have clicked on the email and reset your passwords and everything, um, you know what I mean? If you want to feel a little bit safer for these next few days or whatever, maybe freeze your card. You know what I mean? That's, I would say, only if you click the link, freeze it. If you didn't, you should be good. The emails were legit. No. There was one that wasn't. So like a few emails were sent. And yeah. So one was a phishing email, the other one was legit. It's a whole thing right now. Like of what? No, Top Step or MFFU. You only got two emails? Exactly. They I don't know. The thing is with Top Step is they're saying that the emails were legit, but then it was a phishing email, the link was working. I don't know, but it was a whole thing, bro. It was a whole thing. It was really a whole thing. Anyways, guys, guys, look at this chop over here on NQ. Look at this shop, guys. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Now, I know I said cash for Thursday and Friday, but man, like I really want to trade today because I need to put some content out. I want to be making some money and all that good stuff. But guys, I I don't know if these market conditions are tradable right now, bro. This is really bad. This is really bad. Realistically, yeah, really, no, maybe not yet. I'm gonna give obviously the market a little bit more time, but bro, this is really choppy. I wasn't expecting it to be this bad, like this, honestly. Yo, Blast, if you trade the PM session, what time will you start? Whenever I find a setup. There's no specific time that I start the PM. If there's no setup, I just don't start it. If there is, then I'll just start it. I'll obviously let you guys know beforehand. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are saying that you guys don't like this the PA right now. I mean, dude, this is not tradable at all. Look at ES on the okay. ES on the 5 minute doesn't look horrible. It could be a lot worse, but NQ is really bad, bro. This is really bad. So I'm hoping that we're able to break out of this range over here and get some sort of some type of movement. But bro, this is really bad over here. So yeah, let's see if we can cook something up here. But let me see if my friends are catching anything over here. Yeah, none of my friends are trading today. No setup at all then? I mean, well, not really. No, I mean, do you see what I'm seeing, bro? No setup at all. I mean, it's just wicks everywhere. Update on exhaust, dude. It finally got shipped out. Bro, I called on Friday like a million times. I'm like, bro, like I paid a lot of money. I'm barely even getting like a tracking number. You know what I mean? Um, dude, honestly, after I get that exhaust, bro, I'm done with car parts, bro. It's always an issue, bro. I always had an issue with with my BMW, bro, and now it's an issue with this exhaust, bro. Once I get it, bro, I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. But yeah, it should get here this week, bro. If I don't get here, if I don't get it this week, bro, I'm giving up on that, bro. No, I didn't get the ticket erased, bro. Not yet. I have to take it to court again. Apparently, they're gonna send me like a new thing on the mail. But it's always something, bro. Over some stupid shit. But yeah, time to get a bike. Nah, bro. Bro, I tried going on the like I anytime I try going fast on the jet ski, bro. I can't just I can only imagine how scary a bike is, bro. That sounds great. I mean, I don't know. I kind of feel like they're like, bro, one little wrong move, bro, and it's done, bro. By the way, guys, for the people in here, what time would you guys say that like you guys would just call it trading like for today? Because obviously if price stays like this, bro, I am not touching this. I don't care if I've been cash for the last 3 days. I am not touching this, bro. I would much rather be cash than be red in this market. 10. I'm seeing a lot of 1030s, 1045. I would say yeah, like 1030 or so. Because guys, we're already like what 40 minutes into market open, and we still haven't broken out of the opening range. The range where we opened up at, guys, we haven't broken out of it. So there's not much. Even if I did want to work with this price, I can't really do much here. Um, and neither can you guys. I mean, if even if you guys do want to force out a trade here, because I know some of you guys are a little bit of DJs over here that love trading every day. I mean, it's gonna be really hard to even get a trade in this type of market like this. You know, I'm gonna give the market like maybe like 30 more minutes. If we don't break out of this range on both ES and NQ, uh, I'll come back tomorrow, man. Blast, my girl's gonna make me get off if we don't make some money. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. Jet ski is worse than a bike. How? I mean, the thing is, if you fall on it, I mean, well, to be fair, you have the waves like constantly crashing on you. You know what I mean? So I guess that's something. With the road, I mean, you know what I mean. Typically, the road is pretty smooth. So I guess, bro. What's worse, the waves or Florida potholes? Uh, where I live, I don't really get potholes like that. How close are we from taking the low on NQ, bro? By like a tick. But if you really zoom in here, actually no, 75. So 3 ticks. Exactly, yeah. The drivers are the problem, not the potholes. But I tried to send all the verification stuff to Apex. Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, little update on the whole Apex thing. So you guys know how like 2 weeks ago, Apex sent out an email saying, hey, we want to, you know what I mean, we want to see how your trading is, right? Like your strat, your the reason why you took the trades and everything. You know how I told you guys, like Apex is going to be getting like literally millions of trade reviews a day. They can barely even catch up with the support. How do you think they're going to review the trades? Well, I don't think they thought of it, but their inbox got filled. Like they can't receive any more emails. So yeah, they did all that for nothing. I pretty much told you guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the problem. I guys, no, the inbox is not the issue, but how the hell are they gonna review millions of trade reviews to, for traders to just approve a $2,000 payout? At that point, just approve it. You know what I mean? Like you're doing more work on your end for no reason. But that, you know what I mean? I guess the inbox is kind of doing them a favor because oh wait, by the way, we broke out this high. The email is doing them a favor because now they can't even review it. So I guess the mod team is probably like, oh, thank God. You know what I mean? Because bro, I mean that's still crazy. You don't, you know, like bro, do we still send it? You can't. I mean, you can't really send it. You know what I mean? Guys, for the people that probably sent that probably sent it, they probably didn't even review it. You know what I mean? They probably just say, oh yeah, send it to send it. You know what I mean? Am I trading this? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we haven't really gotten the entry yet, so yeah. We're just getting a little bit of a spike up here. Now, I did say that if I was gonna take ES longs, we need to make sure that that NQ is able to hold above this high over here, because if keep in mind, guys, ES has not taken out this London high yet, right? And with NQ taking out the London high, what tends to be the issue is if NQ wants to sweep this high and go right back down into the untapped liquidity at this London low, what the issue is gonna be is that if we take longs on ES, we're gonna get stopped out, right? And you guys might be thinking, hey, why did we get stopped out? There's no levels that we took out. Well, we did on NQ. All right, keep in mind, guys, we never took out this London low down here, which could be a little bit of an issue. All right, so we'll see how this goes. But so far, the buying pressure is kicking in pretty nice here, so I might look to take ES longs very, very soon. But definitely be careful. All right, guys, you guys definitely know the markets that we're working with. If you don't like it, if you don't like the volume, there's no reason, you know what I mean, you don't need to take it. But me, I obviously need to put out some content, you know, to you guys and all that stuff. So if the buying pressure looks good, I'm gonna take it for sure. All right, but we'll see how this one goes. All right, we're about to break out here, so let me kind of lock in over here. But yeah, let me see. Let me make sure I'm on MBS, because last time I made a mistake where I switched from NQ to ES, and I switched it to the minis of NQ, and I traded the wrong contracts. So yeah, MES 5, 20 contracts. Okay, everything is looking good. Okay, yeah. Now all we kind of need here is obviously, okay, the buying pressure looks really good on NQ, which is a good sign. You know what I mean? It might mean that we have room for higher. The only problem is we need ES to really get this buying pressure above this inverse, because right now it's kind of like, I mean, look at this. We're ripping on NQ and we're just flat on ES, right? So we need to do something here. I mean, now I really wish we had a setup on NQ that we could have taken, because we would have been making so much money right now. But unfortunately, we don't have much to really work with here, so we're kind of forced to trade something on ES if we want to get a trade for today. All right. So yeah. Now, I won't lie. Maybe we can kind of cook something up. Nah. I was about to say maybe there's an imbalance here, but as of yet, so far nothing. I mean, I just don't know why ES is just flat here. I mean, you know what I mean? For what? Yeah, I mean, it's just not doing anything. So I don't even know if I want to take it on. I might want to take it on ES, obviously, but I'm hoping we're able to get more of a setup here on NQ beforehand, just so I can switch over, because, dude, this volume is dead. Like now, NQ is the one that's moving when ES is doing nothing, you know. So in the meantime, while this kind of holds down or whatever, let's see if we can kind of close this on the 15-minute, and probably take longs off a continuation model rather than an inverse on ES. Now, if this inverse is first, then I'm just gonna take it on this, but this will be a pretty nice setup as well, because NQ is just ripping over here. Look at that, it's just flat here. 32 points, not enough for an imbalance. I really, really wanted to take something off this, guys, but it's just not valid enough. Not in my eyes. Now, I would say we should be able to get a candle flip here. I wouldn't see why we get a full on reversal. I mean, we blew straight through this right here, so I wouldn't see why we reverse right back down. I mean, we could. We definitely. I'm not saying that we can't, but I mean, for what, you know? We do have some more liquidity up here, which would be this one up here on ES. But I mean, ES is just not reacting here. Look at this. It's what is this? Well, to be fair, NQ is kind of selling off, so that makes sense. If anything, guys, like I said, if we don't get an entry point or an entry model on ES for the next 15 minutes, I'm just gonna let you take a continuation model from this right here on NQ, since NQ is the one that's really moving. We would just look to take something off here into this high. But if ES does end up inversing this one first, we could definitely take it off this one. Now, if you guys don't like the volume off this, you guys can definitely just wait this one out and just take off this right here. But yeah, we'll see. Now, the thing is, this one isn't a guaranteed entry as well, because if ES just pushes up here, NQ is probably going to push up into this level of liquidity before the retracement. You know, but I mean, with this volume, I mean, it's probably not even going to happen. This thing is just frozen here. See if we can flip this candle. Okay, this is a candle flip. That's a good sign. You know what I mean? On both ES and NQ. It just shows that buyers are, you know, interested. It's just ES is just not as interested as NQ is. All right, but we just got the inverse. So let's see if we can find an entry here. I'm a little bit questioning it a little bit. You know, the volume could be a little bit iffy. But I kind of do want to give it a shot here. All right, I'm in. I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna give these longs a shot here. Wait, I got a notification over here. There you go. But yeah, guys, I am in ES longs. All right, guys. Yeah, ES longs. Okay, perfect. I got filled at 12. Okay, sweet. Let me see. 6, 12. All right, there we go. Let me put it out in this server as well. Give me 1 sec. Now, the only reason, guys, I'm saying that the setup is fairly questionable is mainly because just the volume. It's, you know, I mean, it's something. So it either will play out, because obviously it should play out, right? We have all the confirmations. We have everything lining up. We have everything really good, right? Which I'm liking. Now, wait, let me place my stop loss before I forget. Let me place it at 6. Sell 20. Okay, now, guys, the whole reason I'm saying that the setup is a little bit questionable here is mainly because just the volume. Like, everything lines up. We swept London. We're inversing the fair value gap. We have enough buying pressure to inverse it, of course. It's just the volume. It's something, you know. It's definitely something here. So we'll see how this one goes. But yeah, this one might be a little bit slow. Now, if you guys don't like this and you guys haven't entered yet, you guys could definitely just wait for the 15-minute fair value gap on NQ and take that one instead. I'm not gonna lie, that one does look a little bit better. But in terms of setups, the ones that are happening first, I'm just gonna take that one. Just because I do believe we have room for higher, at least on ES. Into that London high. I know NQ already took it out, but yeah. Bro, I never trade ES. Like I said, if you don't want to take it, I'm not forcing you to take it. All right. That's just me. Now, one thing I will say is this one might take a little bit long to kind of play out. So, yeah. So we'll contract MES M5. MES M5. What's your stop? It's on the screen. How do I show my stop loss lines again on Tradeovate? It should be in the chart settings. So just hover over your chart, and then it should just come up there. It should be like just show lines or whatever. Yeah, there. Thank you, NQ Pink. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many countries do you trade on? Yes, I do 20. It's on the screen. But yeah, now one thing I will say, guys, is since I don't really like the volume so much here, and I'm not really like I said, the setup is a little bit questionable for sure. Just because of the volume. So would you guys be down to take trims a little bit earlier? In this case, I know we might not see so many points or anything, but would you guys be down to take trims earlier? Because look, I know some people already did, bro. I know some people in here, you guys obviously like love the profits and everything, but just with this trade, I want to be a little bit careful and just secure profits a little bit quicker than or faster than usual. So look, if we take trims, I would say taking 15 off at a good amount wouldn't be a bad idea. And then we just hold 5 until the PTs. That wouldn't be horrible. I might just do that. Just because this price is just so, it's gonna be a little bit slow. So yeah, that's the problem. But guys, I'm not saying trim now. I'm just saying that if we shoot a good amount, maybe like to like $300 profit, maybe $400 profit, I'll take it. I'll take like 15. Now, if you guys don't want to do that, so be it. That it's yours. You know what I mean? Your profit, your account, your choice. But for me, just because this volume is like a little bit like, you know what I mean? But yeah, just realize you're in with 20 contracts. Yeah, I told you guys. With ES, since it does move a little bit slower, obviously you're not gonna be making as much money with 10 contracts as you would on NQ. So I would say, yeah, try to size a little bit heavier on ES. Maybe not so heavy, but up it up a little bit, just so you can make the same amount of money that you would have on NQ with the same type of movement. Why don't we wait for the pullback? I mean, you could. I gave you guys that choice. If you guys wanted to wait for the pullback on NQ, you guys could have waited for. I mean, for the fair value gap, you guys could have waited for the 15-minute fair value gap on NQ. But just with ES, I mean, it's inversing the fair value gap. It's getting a little bit of an earlier entry, so I feel like that one would be fairly better. But yeah. In the meantime, I'm probably just gonna show you. Let me see. Contract change. What do you mean? I mean, we're not on M and Q. We're on ES right now. MES. MES M5. You're talking about the fair value gap on the 50? Yes, on the 15-minute time frame on MNQ 2025. Yes, the 15-minute. Wait, you already no, wait, are you talking to me or are you talking to someone else? Guys, remember, everything is always on the screen. For the people that are asking for my stop loss, it is on the screen. For the people asking for my entry, it is on the screen. For the people asking if I'm in, it is on the screen. Everything that you guys are asking in terms of the trade, it is all on the screen. It's why I put it there. All right. Let me see. I'm out, guys. Have a drive to SeaWorld. Bro, man, but I haven't been to SeaWorld in I don't even know how long, bro. Cut a nice $100 trade across 5 accounts. Have a good day, bro. Good shit, bro. Have a good one, bro. Enjoy your day, bro. Enjoy your day. Wait, Apex put out 80% off? What? They did? Oh, shit. Got an email. Bro, my phone is in my. Oh, bet. I didn't get anything. Okay, cool. I mean, guys, I guess Apex is 80% off. It's on their Discord. Oh, shit. Okay, cool. All right, yeah. I mean, if you guys want to stack up on it, you guys already know the code. Code Blasters. You know what I mean? To show some support. But yeah, I mean, I didn't get anything here, so I guess okay. Yes, no, yeah, I know. I told you guys this one's gonna be a slow one for sure, but draw looks pretty clear. It's just the volume, so be ready for that. Be ready for that, bro. Come on now, bro. Yes, we all, bro. Come on now, bro. You can't be that ass. Oh, no one bought 71. I mean, come on, guys. 71, bro. It's a 9% difference. It's not a big deal. I mean, what, you're saving like what, like $5 or something, right? $5? No, maybe a little bit more. Maybe like what, 10, 15. It won't be the end of the world. You're gonna wait for NQ? Yeah, no problem, no problem. Guys, how many of you guys are waiting for NQ to retrace on the 15-minute? Where you're gonna trim? I don't know yet. Honestly, I don't know. If I see like maybe like $300 or $400 profit, I'll take 15 contracts off and just hold 5 with break even until the price target, just because this is so slow. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are waiting for NQ. Honestly, not a bad idea. I mean, you guys are seeing how ES is going. But you guys do know the game plan behind NQ. It's just the 15-minute retracement. We have room for higher. All right. Yeah, I need NQ. Yeah, I don't blame you guys. I don't blame you guys. I just like the setup on ES a lot. It's just the volume. I'm not saying that ES is bad or anything. It's just this volume is definitely something. You know what I mean? This volume is definitely something. But we're about to break these highs up here, which is not bad. Not not a bad thing over here. Let's see if we can break it. Now, like I said, I do want to see about $300 on the PNL before I take some trims. Maybe like 350, 400. For sure 400 I would take. But yeah, because right now we're moving by the tick. It's very, very slow. All right, there we go. I locked myself out. I made 1.2K trading Asia, bro. What'd you catch yesterday with or last night with Asia? That thing barely moved. Unless you're like freaking full boarding or some shit. What do you think about the new ZR1? Bro, that thing is nasty, bro. Splash action is disgusting. Is NQ also like chopping up here? Let me check. Actually, NQ guys, we might see a little bit of drawdown on ES for a little bit of time. Maybe like a few minutes or so because NQ it almost hit the drawn liquidity, but it didn't, meaning that we still have room to go higher. But on the on the on the 15-minute time frame, we did close a gap, so we might want to retrace into it first before we shoot any higher. But yeah, for the people in here that are watching NQ, keep that on the lookout on the 15-minute retracement. So yeah, we might retrace into that before we see anything higher. It's kind of like a 50-50 here. I'm looking at it on my phone here. So yeah. Now, if we break out of these highs right here on ES, I might take some scales out, maybe 10 or 15. Just so I can be risk free. I don't really like this volume too much, so I just want to take what I can get. But yeah, there's a sell off a little bit here, which like I said, I'm kind of expecting a little bit. Like I said, just because oh wait, thank you. Kind of, you guys saw that? Wait. Guys, lock in. What the hell? Oh, wait. I think Trump is saying something. Oh, shit. Guys, I was looking at NQ and everything just like pushed up like crazy. What the? Yo. Sell, guys. Sell. Press that button. Press that button, guys. What the hell? Yo, is Trump saying something? Yo, what the hell? Okay. Guys, I sold most contracts. What? I literally, that's how I was saying. I'm like, guys, I saw NQ push up, or ES push up real quick. Yo, okay, that was good. Okay, let me check if Trump is saying something. Guys. 1 segundo. Hold up, guys. By the way, I don't know if you guys want to do break even. You definitely could. But I make sure you guys took profits up there. All right. I don't know why we pushed up. I'm about to check right now. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 sec. I might do break even, honestly. I might just do break even and just probably catch another trade later. Let me ask you guys before we do break. Guys, would you guys be down for break even? Yes or no? Quick. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, bet. All right, let's do break even. So still 5 stop here. I might get stopped out off the bat either way. I don't know what that push up was. I'll take it. Honestly, as long as we're able to get something out of this trade, I don't really care. Oh my, yo. Yo. Sell. What the hell is going on, guys? Yo. Yo, okay. Now break even for sure. What the hell? Sell to stop. Okay, what the hell? Yo, what the hell just happened, bro? Yo, what was that? Yo. Yo, if I would have gotten stopped out of break even and that shit happened, bro, I would have been so mad. I scaled 18 out of 20 contracts. Yo, that was crazy, guys. What the hell happened, bro? You guys saw that as well, right? Okay, I mean, bro, I'll take it, man. I'll take a quick little profit with ES, bro, on a slow market. Shit. Oh, wait, I never checked. Let me see what Trump is saying, bro. Trump always has something to say, man. Let me see. 1 sec, guys. 1 second here, man. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Wait, let me see. Trump. No, nothing. Bro, wait, why are we pushing up then? Trump to host event highlight investment accounting for kids. Bro, that's not push up the market, bro. Why did we push up? Trump does have a meeting today? Is that why? I mean, I'm sure I would have seen it over here on this news page. Yeah, no, nothing. With China for trade talks? But is he talking right now? Could that be why? Or yeah, is he not sure what time? Let me just shut up 1 sec. I'm sure I would have seen it though. That's the thing. I would have known about it. Oh yeah, right here. I see. Trump lets Benson. I don't know. Benson let me text self control in China talks. Oh, okay. That's kind of why, guys. Okay, yeah. So I guess it's just tech stuff. So like Nvidia and shit. Jensen Wong. I don't know, bro. His name is Benson Levy. Benson. I don't fucking know. That's him. You guys get the point. All right. You put NQ in your TP alert. Oops. But I'm so used to typing NQ. My fault. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Let me edit it over here 1 sec, guys. There you go. Anyways, is the buy short now? Well, I don't know. I mean, we're short longs. I mean, I wouldn't really want to be short. NQ did take out the price target though, so we could reverse it. Guys, remember, have your stop loss at break even on your final contracts. Thanks for I got you, bro. I got you. Well, thank Trump for the push up. We definitely needed it. But yeah, guys, what I'm seeing here, guys, is Trump is letting someone, I don't know his name, from the tech sale or Trump. I'll just send it to you guys 1 sec, bro, because I probably sound like Con Crack or some shit right now. I'm not getting my words straight. Here, guys. Check this out in the chat. Look, this is what caused the market to push up here. Trump lets blah 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 blah. Yeah, sales control and lets negotiators weigh lifting expert controls in China. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds bullish, I think. I don't know. But yeah. Would you check what Trump said? Okay, so I'm sure you guys have heard of Bloomberg. It's one of, if not, in my opinion, it's the most reliable news source out there for the stock market. So I use this Twitter account that the second something comes out, you know. So let me show you to you guys. This is the account that I always use, guys, for my news reports on Trump or tariffs or whatever, or whatever happens with the war, which God forbid, obviously. But if something does spark up and we don't know why the market is pushing up or down, always check this account first and see what he's saying. Whatever he says is probably why it's pushing up or down. All right, guys. So yeah, is a 15-minute continuation still valid? Let me check for you, my brother. No, definitely not. Yeah, no, no, definitely not. It is really, really, it really hit the price target. Is what I'm trying to say, bro. Yeah, bro, his profile picture is like, bro's mocking us, bro. Nah, bro, like that ass, bro. You see his profile picture? All right, guys, I'm about to get stopped at a break even very, very soon here. So honestly, it's 2 contracts. Even if we do hit PT2, I'm probably gonna make like an extra like $5. So yeah, guys, I am fully out. I break even, guys. I am fully out. All right, guys. Pretty good trade, honestly. For ES, not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. How are you guys doing on the trade? Are you guys? Oh, wait. Before you guys show me, guys, show me your wins in the profits channel. You know what I mean? Nah, real shit though. If you guys are green though, post your wins over in the profits channel. I'll give you guys a shout out with the announcements. But yeah, all right. Still down. How the hell are you down, bro? What? Let me check. Yeah, no, it was something. It was definitely an interesting trade for sure. Let me check how my YouTube is doing. I have not read the YouTube chat in a while. That was crazy, bro. Yeah. Guys, YouTube. Let me know how you guys are doing. By the way. Let me see. Someone, Julie said, MFFU did not get hacked. I know TopStep 100% did. Well, the thing is, we don't know which one got hacked, because the phishing emails got sent on both MFF and TopStep. So maybe they both got hacked. Maybe one of them did. We don't know. We don't know. But I'm really hoping that one of these firms is able to kind of step up and say like, hey, it was our fault. We apologize. We're gonna try to make it up for you guys with something. You know what I mean? Because I mean, dude, my social security's out there. You know what I mean? Like, that's something, bro. Not like you can really get anything off of it, but you know. But yeah. Anyways, guys, if you guys are green on this trade, guys, go ahead and post your profits over in the profits channel. Let me know how you guys are sitting on the day, and I'll give you guys a shout out in the announcer channel later today. All right, guys. But yeah, in terms of a trade, I am pretty much done. I made $300 on the day, 350 per account. So not a bad day. Not a bad day. Dude, honestly, if you try stealing my social security, bro, you're not gonna get anything out of it. I promise you, bro. Bro, like if you're gonna like try to finance something or some shit, bro, you're probably gonna get like 20% interest and like the worst interest possible. So, bro, you're better off just using your own information, bro. I promise. I promise you, bro. Not didn't take this trip, but I'm waiting for NQ. David, are you illegal? No, bro. I'm not illegal, bro. David, check NQ ASAP. We almost broke the all-time highs. Oh my, yo, we actually almost did. Nah, wait. We still have like 500 points. Yeah, no, we're not almost at all-time highs. We still have like, yeah, no, bro. We still have 800 points, bro. We still have a lot to go, bro. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I am seeing a lot of you guys getting off. Bro, one thing I noticed is that I see guys every two seconds. Yo. Anyways, yeah. Post your profits in the profits channel. But yeah, so I can give you guys a shout out if you guys want to post it, of course. Bros love guys. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Now after this VC, bro, I'm gonna give my mechanic a call one more time, bro. Bro, I'm just praying this thing just gets shipped out already, bro. Because, dude, it's been like more than a month already that I ordered this shit. I got you, bro. I got you. Bro, if I get scammed, imagine if I got scammed, bro, I'm gonna get you guys to back me up over here, bro. Would you guys back me up for real? No, bro. All right, bro. Nah. He has a high reputation though. So that the thing is, bro, the problem, the mistake I did was, okay, look, guys, okay. Look, for the people that don't care, you guys can get off. I'm done for the day. You know what I mean, I know you guys probably have better stuff to do, but guys, so this guy, he lives right by my house. Like, bro, he is super well known on Instagram. Let me show you guys. Actually, no, I'm not gonna show you guys because maybe you guys are probably gonna some weird messages. But no, he lives by my house and he has over like, I don't even know. Let me see how many followers. I think he has over like 200,000 followers. Bro, he's done Steve O'Dewitt's car. He's done everyone in Miami's car, or everyone that lives in Miami. Let me see how many followers he has. Yeah, 325,000 followers. Right? He lives by my house. I've seen him. Pretty cool guy. Really cool guy. He's Cuban like me. We've talked here and there. So I'm like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, like I want to get an exhausting with you, bro. I've seen all your work, the work that you've done, bro. It's amazing. Like, get me right. You know what I mean? Like, let's do it. Right? He's like, yeah, bro, let's do it. Obviously he has to make his money, so he kind of upcharged me a little bit on the exhaust. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of overpaid quite a bit. I didn't do my research. But honestly, I don't really care. But I just want to have fun. You know what I mean? Dude, I did a little bit of research, and the exhaust came out to 3,500. And you know, he ended up charging me for labor, tuning, and everything. A total with the exhaust as well, 5,300. So yeah, I paid a little bit. I paid a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Unless yeah. I know. I don't really care. I don't care. Right? You only live once. You know what I mean? But the thing is, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. He's like, okay, so you can Zell me the money, which you guys know how Zell is, right? Once you send the money, there's no getting it back, right? There's nothing you can do about it. You know what I mean? No matter what, right? Because I've gotten scammed with the steering wheel with my BMW, and I couldn't get that money back, unfortunately. So yeah. So I'm like, you know what? You have a pretty big name and everything. I trust you. You know what I mean? I've met you a few times. You're a super cool guy. So yeah, let me send you the money, right? So I sent it to him and everything. Because the reason I Zelled him the money is because if I did it through like his like credit card thing, the ATM reader, whatever, is gonna charge me with tax. And you guys know with tax on a $5,300 thing, it's a few extra $100 that I could have used towards gas or to go out to eat. So I'm like, you know what, bro, I trust you. I'm not trying to pay this you know what I mean? I'm not trying to pay tax or whatever. So let me sell you the money, right? Nah, he didn't steal it. He placed the order. But the problem is, guys, is he was texting me and everything. And once I sent him the money, I'm like, yo, I sent it. I didn't get a, oh yeah, you're good, bro, or nothing. He just didn't text me again. I'm like, oh, well, okay, I guess. I mean, maybe you're a busy guy or something. You know what I mean? Um, but you know, I mean, okay, I get it. Okay, yeah, go enjoy your day. You know what I mean? Go enjoy your day. A few days go on. I'm like, hey, did you place the order? How I have yet to hear from him. I'm like, okay. A few days go on. I text him like, hey, is everything good? He's like, oh yeah, bro, I placed the order. Everything's good. Blah blah. Never hear from him for an entire month straight again. Right? I'm like, bro, it's been a minute. You know what I mean? I'm getting a little bit worried because I haven't gotten a tracking number. It's been a month, or whatever. So I'm like, okay. He told me that the exhaust is from LA. So how many exhaust shops could there be in LA? Right? I'm sure there's a few only. Right? So I searched up C8 Pure Performance, blue titanium exhaust carbon tips in LA. And the first website that came up, I found them. I called them. I'm like, hey, did someone with this name place this order? And they're like, oh yeah, bro, we're getting it taken care of. It's just because titanium exhaust apparently they take up to 8 weeks to make. And I did my research, and yeah, it's true. So I'm like, oh okay, you know, whatever. And then now I'm pretty good, right? So yeah. But bro, if I would have gotten a scam for 5K, bro, that would have been something, bro. You know what I mean? That would have been something. But I called him. Apparently everything is good. It's getting shipped out and everything. So I am gonna make some videos on the exhaust. Hopefully it shoots out flames and all that good stuff, so I can make some good videos out of it. But yeah, we'll see how that goes, guys. Imagine they sell the exhaust, bro. Don't tell me that shit, bro. Don't say that, bro. Because with my luck, bro, it'll probably happen, bro. And Q longs, nah, bro. I'm done. I'm done with the day, bro. This price action is definitely not it, bro. So yeah. I've had it, bro. Come on, no. But yeah, would you pull up on him? Yeah. Bro, for 5K, bro. Yeah. Not like that, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be like, yo, like, where's my money at, bro? Nah. Like, if I do end up getting scammed, I think you could sue, right? If you have proof of anything, obviously. I mean, that's 5K. You know what I mean? Maybe if it was like a few $100, I'd be like, yeah, whatever. You know, life goes on. But you know what I mean? Nah, but super cool guy, and the exhaust should be here this week. If anything, it should be here by today or tomorrow. So fingers crossed, man. I'm super excited for that, bro. And for the people that don't know, bro, uh, I'm doing a full exposed titanium exhaust, guys. So if you're behind me, bro, you're seeing the whole blue thing, everything, bro. So man, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited, man. I'm super super excited. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yo, David, newsflash, that shit is not, bro. Why you gotta be such a Debbie Downer, bro? David, you beat the case? Nah, bro, not yet, not yet. I gotta go again, bro. Bro's gonna get a ticket for that. Nah, bro, bro, in Miami, bro, you have these people with the infinities and bro, they sounds like a fucking fart cam, bro. They don't get pulled over, so I'm sure I'll be fine, bro. Yeah. David, is a fair value about NQ for shorts or longs? This one right here, honestly, now that we took out these levels of liquidity and we're getting a really really nice sell off, you could possibly look for shorts off of this fair value gap. Now, I would be careful with this one mainly because if you take shorts, you're trading back into the dangerous zone, which is gonna be the chop zone. All right, so be careful, be careful. All right, but the setup does look pretty good, honestly. Once again, guys, we did take out this London high. We took out this external high. We're rejecting off of this rally up over here. We're getting a massive sell-off. So if I wouldn't have taken the trade on ES, I would have definitely taken this one. But since I'm green on day, I'm kind of already done. All right, bro. Everyone has a plate cover. Yeah, I know, bro. The luck behind that is crazy. Are we trading Thursday and Friday? Yes, sir, we are. Yeah, we are. We're guys. The schedule channel is right here. If you go over to schedule, it's right here. So yeah, we're trading every single day, same time every day, right? Because now Wednesday, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna trade Wednesday yet. I want to, but it's CPI, so it could be a very big, very very big hit or miss, whether it's amazing or the worst market of the week. All right, so yeah, I would say the only day to really look out for is Wednesday. All right, but other than that, yeah, we should be able to trade every single day this week. All right, guys. But yeah. Anyways, let me catch up with my YouTube chat. Let me see what you guys are saying over here. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Um, can you show what you think on NQ again, real quick? Yeah, I got you. So, well, maybe you send that a little bit later, or a little bit like, a while ago. But yeah, you can just replay the live since you're on YouTube. Um, 400 points to all-time high on no 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 no. We're 800 points, not 400. 800. We're 800 points away from all-time highs. So yeah, if you measure out just like this, yep, about 800 points. Can you type into? Oh yeah, I got you. For the people that want to know how I get my news, on on YouTube, here, let me send it over to you guys. 1 second. Here, I use this website, or not website, but I use this Twitter account. His name is Walter Bloomberg, bro. He's the goat, bro. This guy's made me so much money. He's insane. All right, let me see. Let me catch up with the chat over here. 1 sec, bro. I saw that C8 video of the guy with the mirror, bro. Bro, he's making us, bro, look bad, bro. That video's crazy, bro. Anyways, let me see. Trump is speaking on Wednesday. For real? I didn't see that on Forex Factory. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know. Should I acted zesty to the cop and ask for a warning for Pride Month? Bro, at that point, just give me the ticket, bro. I'm not doing that shit. Um, not that there's anything bad. I just don't want to do that for myself. You know. Let me see. Tomorrow's the last day I'm gonna miss because of school, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If I can go back to school or high school, I low key miss high school. I'm not trying to say that I'm a super senior or anything. Like, just like when I was in high school, bro, it was looking pretty fun, bro. I had all my homies there, bro. It's true what they say. I'm sure you guys can agree with me, bro. Guys, I had the closest friend group ever, bro, that I could ever ask for. And the second we graduated, bro, as the time went on, bro, like I'll be asking the group chat like, yo guys, are we gonna do anything today, bro? They don't even open the message, bro. It's crazy, bro. They went Hollywood on me, bro. So I got no one now, bro. Real shit. I got no one. Nah, it's true though. It's true though. Like, bro, like your friends actually like you guys, bro. Shut up, bro. You guys aren't in Miami, bro. Got the chat, bro. Bro, that's why I get so sidetracked sometimes, guys. It's because like, bro, I realistically, guys, like after I get off the live, bro, I don't really talk to anyone. Like I just stay quiet. And I get bored. I just watch TikTok. So, bro, when I'm talking, bro, and when Krabby gets on, bro, I just yap the live away, bro. Does your mom still think you're going? No, I told her. I'm like, not right now. Not right now. Don't worry, son. That Ali will pull up, bro. People start making their life. Yeah, bro. I mean, I don't blame them. You know what I mean? They go to school. They have jobs and all that stuff. Bro, Larry, bro. Come on now, bro. How do you even find that, bro? But yeah, no, bro. Like, yeah, people just get lives. You know what I mean? They get jobs. You know what I mean? It gets their whole schedule and all that shit. But yeah. Anyways, let's see. Yo, come on now, bro. Relax, bro. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I think I'm kind of done for today. I guess I do have some stuff to do right now. I gotta call my mechanic, in fact, to see if it got shipped out because, dude, I want that shit right now. All right. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm off for today. Hopefully you guys made some money with me. If you guys did, if you guys haven't already, go post your profits over the profits channel. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys same time tomorrow then. 9:40 a.m. EST. All right, guys. All right, peace out, guys. Have a good day, guys. Peace out, peace out, peace out. And YouTube, guys, hopefully you guys. Oh, by the way, guys, on YouTube, don't to the premium. All right, I don't know if anyone in here is the premium, but guys, today my OBS kind of bugged out, and I will say, usually I stream with a delay, but today I did not stream with a delay. I had to put it to no delay. Now I don't always do that. I never do that. In fact, it's just today. You know, I kind of let it slide. So for you guys in here, you guys should have caught the trade real time with me. So hopefully you guys made some money with me. All right, guys. But don't get used to it. All right, tomorrow we're going back to delay. So if you guys enjoyed it without delay or anything, guys, click the first thing in the description. I noticed a no delay. Don't tell anyone, bro. All right, just for today. All right. I had to because my OBS bugged out and I just couldn't put it. But guys, tomorrow we'll be back to a 2-minute delay. So if you guys don't want the delay or anything, guys, click the first thing in the description. Use code payout. That's PAYOUT. I'm sure you guys know how to spell payout. Use code payout on either 1 month or 3 month for 75% off any promo upgrade. It'll come out to like $15. All right, that's if you guys want to join the community and get access to the live trading, to the trade alerts, education, everything. All right, guys. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you guys were able to make some money with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time at 9:40 a.m. EST. All right, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Enjoy your day, guys. Peace out, guys.